Alright, we can move on and create a couple more pages in this application, particularly registration and authentication pages. So I'm going to open up original markup of this project, and then let's open up the file which contains markup for registration page. And from here I'm only going to copy the section which is contained inside the main element, since later on we're going to create additional layout that is going to store the rest of markup on this page, since we're going to use the same layout for login and register pages. But for now, let's just create new component which will be responsible for showing up registration page and paste markup of the registration form in here. Alright, cool. And now to be able to open up registration page by clicking the sign up link in the navigation bar, I'm gonna open up component which contains that button called app header now. And in here, all we have to do is to assign attribute link to the sign up button with the address of the registration page, just like we did to the first link. And there we go. Now we're seeing a registration form, but in fact, this registration page should only contain this form without any additional elements such as header and footer. And that means that we're going to create another layout in the application besides the default one. And as for the default layout, for now we're using app.vue component as a default layout. But since we're gonna have more than one layout, I'm gonna have to create a folder called layouts. This is a default folder where Nuxt stores layout components. And if we're gonna call layout file default.vue, Nuxt is going to automatically use this layout for those pages where we have not specified manually which layout to use. And now I'm gonna copy everything from the app.vue component and move it into this default layout so that we can remove app.vue component. After this, nothing will be changed. Nuxt is still going to use the layout with the name default for all pages. And so now, as I said before, the registration page should not contain any other elements besides registration form. We're going to create another layout file, which I will call auth.vue. And into this layout file, we're going to add element main with a few classes. Those classes we can copy over from the original markup from here. And let's also use slot component within this main element, which lets Nuxt know that this is the place where Nuxt will have to paste the markup of the particular page, which is going to use this layout. And by the way, in the default layout, we can also replace Nuxt page component with a slot component. The result will be the same. This component will be replaced with the markup of the particular page. Alright, cool, but we're still seeing that the registration page uses default layout with header and footer. And to tell Nuxt that we need to use another layout for this page, I'm going to add script section in the register.vue file and specify which layout this page should use by calling define page meta macro and passing an object with the key layout, which should have the name of the layout we wish to use for this page. I'm gonna specify auth. Alright, in the browser we're seeing that the header and footer are gone, but the page uses light theme for now. So we'll have to add additional classes to this layout, just like in the original markup, but in this case they are applied to the body element, and in our case we're basically going to merge these classes with those that are currently used on the main element. And in addition to all those classes, I'm also going to add class dark, which is going to make Tailwind CSS to use dark theme. And there we go. Now we're seeing how the registration page should look like. In the same way, we're going to add another page component for the login page. I'm gonna create new file inside of pages folder with the name of login. And in here for now I'm going to copy over everything from the register page, paste it into login page, because we're gonna use the same layout with the name Auth for the login page. And as for the markup of this page, I'm gonna remove everything from here and instead open up login HTML file in the original markup and copy the markup of the main section of this page, then paste it into login component right here. This is the markup of the login form. So now in the browser, I'm gonna navigate to login page. And sure enough, we're seeing the login page. And now we can switch between register and login pages. And just to be able to navigate to the login page as well as to register page by clicking links in the navigation, I'm gonna open up app_header_nav component, find the login link in here, and use link prop with the address of the login page in here. Besides this navigation, we also have another navigation component responsible for mobile navigation. So inside of this component, we have to do the same. Right here, let's add proper link attributes with corresponding addresses to login and register pages. And after doing all of that, let's try one more time in a browser and make sure that all those links work and they redirect us to corresponding pages, login and register. As you can see, everything is working as we expect to. Link to the source code of this project will be in the video description.